Well, good morning to one and all present over here. Am I audible? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. How are you,
Yes,
everyone?
yes, sir.
How are you, everyone?
Great.
Good. So, well, I hope you are doing well by staying at home in this pandemic COVID 19. Already in the previous lecture, we had discussed what exact about syllabus and what would be the scheme for our subject, that is communication skills. Apart from that, what things are expected here? How should we motivate ourselves while doing this engineering platform or engineering degree? What other things are expected here to do around apart from the only communication or other technical subjects? That things today we are going to discuss. In fact, only what is exact importance of communication and what its need. So simple one question is there. Before going to start my presentation, I can ask one question, you guys. Have you seen any dream in your life? I expect everyone should answer yes or no. Have you seen any dream in your life? Alternative question would be that for the same question. Have you set any goal in your life? Have you set any
Yes,
goal in your life? Yes, I have received some few, very few answers by saying yes because okay, so everyone is saying that you have set a goal in your life. So what is your goal? So anyone can take initiative and tell the answer. What exact goal do you have set for your life? Anyone can unmute and just tell me what is your goal? What is your aim? What is your target in your life? Yes, please. Anyone can? Is it difficult question?
no, sir.
Okay, so please tell me answer. Have you set a target or goal? Yes, go ahead.
The IAS officer.
Good. As Dipali is saying that she wished to become an IAS officer. Okay, very good. Any other? Anyone else? Anyone else? As I expect that, not an issue about your answer. What happened? Some why this is happening? We are going to discuss in today's session. We required 2 hour session, but very few participants are there. On 1st of February, we are going to conduct a whole class session again. So that we will discuss in detail. But today also we need to discuss in short manner what target you have set in your life. If you are saying what is the exact dream according to just some of the philosopher or our former president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said what is dream. So he has said promptly what is dream and what things are expected here to see the dreams. So is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. So simple thing is there. I will just present my slide. Now you need to answer. As I asked you simple question, what is the exact dream? And according to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Kalam said that what is dream? Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. That is called dream. That is called target. That is called your destination. That is called your aim. Understand? Nowadays, what happened? This is the age of youth, I can say. and this is the teenagers. You are in right now, you are in the under the criteria of teenagers, and in this age, most of the times what happens, such kinds of dreams are there. In previous pre teenagers, up to the 14 years age, you might get such kinds of, or you might have seen such kinds of scenes or dreams like ghost, snake, and some fearful dreams. But now that things would not be there. Simple one additional thing is there. Nowadays you are getting such kinds of dreams about, might be some about the career, might be some of the very beautiful queen and very handsome king and all things. You might have seen such kinds of dreams, because now right now you are in the youth age or teen age, we can say. But according to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, what he is saying, dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. It is simple way. As our every participants wished that do something in your life, as Dipali also said that she wished to become an IAS. So everyone need to think before going to start our journey. What happen if you wish to move toward the Solapur from Pandharpur, and if you are standing, if you are sitting on the in the bus which is going to Kolhapur only, so how will you reach at Solapur? Is it possible? No, not at all, because you have chosen wrong destination. Nowadays, what happened? Already you have taken admission for engineering. This is your destination, but not the degree is getting certificate of degree is not your destination. What is your destination apart from that? Apart from that, by getting degree or getting certificate of degree, along with that, at least one offer letter of very well-known company or MNC is required for your dream, for your goal. Even though some of the students are here, as everyone wish to do competitive examinations, might be MPSC, UPSC and all, even though engineering competitive examinations as well. But while doing that things, you need to set your goal. If you have set your target or goal today only, then and then only your destination would be on the right path. Anyway, what happened, everyone will say that I wish to do IAS officer or complete engineering and get the offer letter of MNC. But if you are not doing something or which is related to that thing, or which is required for to achieve that thing, then how you will get? We will not get that things easily. So for getting that thing, you need to uh, target what expected efforts we need to take. Understand? Simple in Marathi I can translate, because I attended some of the very few minutes of last lecture as well. Everyone is trying to communicate in Marathi as well, even though they are teaching in technical subject. But for your best understanding or better understanding, they need to communicate in Marathi as well. I hope I am saying, or I am thinking that there is not a single word, there would not be any single word in Marathi language in our class, because everyone is capable to understand that things. There would not be any fearful mindset in your life that if the communication subject of teacher or subject teacher of communication skills is talking in only English and we are unable to understand, these things would not be there. Understand? These kinds of feedback would not be there from your side. That's why I need to talk little bit in Marathi as well, because I can say that in our brain power, or which the God has gifted us, is not equal. Some of this I can say that Priyanka will understand, but Monali will not be understand or may not be understand, because of, or Monali can understand, Priyanka may not be understand. So such kinds of things would be there, because God has not given the same brain power for everyone. That's why we need to take review of all members from the this platform. So as I told you, if you do something or wish to do something, you need to move a step ahead. Understand? Be more than teacher as well. Most of the times what happen, if you have listened the stories of the famous personalities, they talked much more about that. They need to go a step ahead, then and then only they try to achieve the success. Anyway, what happened, we are not doing the same things, and something is happening around us wrongly, so it would not be acceptable here. So if even though from your class, if you have not set a goal, if you have not targeted your dream, again this is the right time to set your goal or target. If you wish to complete engineering with for the sake of competitive examination, you can move forward by this way only. If we wish to complete your post graduation as well, you need to do the task by this way only. If you wish to complete degree and grab the opportunity of MNC, you need to work on the same perspective. So try to understand this is the right time to see the dream. Even though you are you I can say you are tired by sitting at home in this pandemic COVID-19, but don't worry about that. This is the golden opportunity for you guys to do the same task or good task. Understand? So I can say that everyone will see the dream, and that dream would be fulfilled when you could, or we can say you would get that steps ahead. Then and then only you will enjoy. Understand? So let's see exact what happening around us in the next slide. What is exact dream? As we have discussed what is dream, but before going to discuss the same concept, we need to think over it. What is exact dream? Everyone learned that things, but what is expected here? A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. Only seeing the dream would not be sufficient, because nowadays what happened, everyone can see the such kinds of daydreams as well. There are two types of dreams: daydreams, that is called in Marathi diva sopna, and night dreams. Everyone nowadays, also everyone, I can say, see the dreams in sleep. It may be in it may be in day, or it may be in night. But nowadays what happened, even though if you are attending the class right now, I can give an example here. Around whatever participants are there, out of that out of them, everyone is not paying attention 100% over the lecture. Now they are in diva sopna, I can say in Marathi, diva sopna or daydreaming. Understand? So that's why don't be in daydreaming or such kinds of dreams. Now what is exact dream? A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. Simple one concept is there. If you have written today only on your front page of your CS notebook, communication skills notebook, you can write your dream on this front or first page of communication skills notebook with that. Understand? That things would be your goal. That things would be your goal. Anyway, what happened, only seeing dreams would not be effectful more than this, because psychology said that what if you wish to remember the thing, you need to recall and recall again and again. That's why I have been asking you to note down on the first page of your communication skills notebook. Then and then only you, every lecture, at least for opening the notebook, or I can say, I can suggest you on every notebook's front page, you can write your goal. Understand? Or I can say dream automatically. With if you have written your dream at with that, automatically it would become a goal. Understand? Now a goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. Only setting a goal, only targeting aim, that things would not be acceptable here. What things are expected here? To plan accordingly, to do the task, to complete, to achieve the target, to achieve the destination. Understand? To reach that peak point. What things are expected here? To plan. How you need to plan? The goal becomes down into steps, becomes a plan. Simple one way is here, one communication is here, one message is here. If you have set your goal, goal means short term goal would be there, long term goal would be there. If you have set a short term goal, I wish to improve my communication skills, this would be your, if you your short term goal is there. And if you're not planned accordingly, then your goal would not be goal. Understand? For that, achieving the goal, for improving your communication, for getting command on your communication, what expected plans are required there? Simple one plan is there, that you need to prepare your plan accordingly. And we can say that you have to note down something, at least what kinds of steps ahead, what things are required there. Anyone can tell the answer of the same question? Situation is there. If your short term goal is there for you wish to improve your communication, Then tell me what plans are required to improve your communication. Everyone, please answer one by one. What plans are required to achieve your goal, which is to improve your communication skills or command over the communication? So tell me what plans are required. Yes. Who is there? Do you understand the question? Am I audible? Am I audible? Are you getting my voice? Monali? Am I audible? Dipali, are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my voice? आवाज क्लियर येतोय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay. Thank you. So, do you understand the question? प्रश्न समजला तुम्हाला? गोल सेट केले, ध्येय पुढे ठेवलेलं आहे, लिहिलेलं सॉरी लिहिलेलं आहे ध्येय, पण ध्येयाबरोबर तुम्हाला नुसतं ध्येय लिहून चालणार आहे का, तर त्याच्याबरोबर प्लॅन करावे लागतील. आणि त्यातलं एक एक्झाम्पल दिलं होतं की कम्युनिकेशन, तुमचं ध्येय शॉर्ट टर्म गोल आहे की तुम्हाला कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इम्प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. मग काय प्लॅन असणं अपेक्षित आहे तुमच्याकडून? काय तुम्ही सांगू शकाल? येस.
Well study and hard work.
Very good. Well study and hard work. Next.
Body language and thinking capacity.
Body language and thinking capacity. Very good. Next.
Self-confidence.
Very good. Self-confidence. Next.
Improve our skills.
Very good. Improve our skills. Yes, next. Our goal is to improve our communication. Yes, please repeat.
Try to speak in English.
Very good. Try to speak in English. Yes, next.
To listen the interviews and believe on yourself.
Very good. So listening skill should be there, or listening interview or English as well. Yes, very good. Next.
Overconfidence.
Overconfidence. Confidence should be there, but
Own confidence.
sorry. Oral.
Own confidence. Own.
Very good, very good. Own confidence, not overconfidence. Sorry. Own confidence means self-confidence would be there. Yes. Next.
We should
Will you repeat? Sorry, we couldn't get your voice.
We
Yes.
should improve our grammar.
Very good. We should improve our grammar. Yes, next. Yes, anything?
We have to improve our English listening, writing, and grammar skills.
Very good. We have to improve your listening, writing, and grammar skills as well. Excellent manner. What things are expected from you guys? Already you have planned. Understand? Now what things are expected here? A plan backed by action makes your dreams come true. Understand? Already we have said today our goal, our target, our destination. Now, according to your destination, you have planned, but by planning on the paper would not be sufficient for achieve that destination or achieve that target. What things are expected here after that? You need to do the action. Understand? As Shubda said that practice is required to communicate, improve our communication. Understand? So what things are expected here while doing that thing? We need to practice and then only we can say that our dreams or a plan backed by action makes your dreams come true. I can say that this would be the plan for achieving the target. As I asked you to note down that goal or a dream on your front page of every notebook with that, if you have mentioned the date there, it would become automatically goal. If you have prepared, if you have set your goal, it may be long term goal, it may be short term goal. We need to prepare your plan, what you are going to do. You need to prepare your timetable, how you are talking to, how you are improving your communication while talking, as everyone gets suggestion to plan that things, grammar, vocabulary, reading, writing, discussing, practicing with friends, family members, and all things. You can try to do that things as well. But apart from that, a plan backed by action, only plan is not important there. Apart from that, we need to do such kinds of actions, and also you need to prepare plan for action, how you are trying to improve your communication. As I told you in the previous lecture, if you could not get the communication activity with your family members, if your family members are uneducated, then you can try to contact with customer care. बघा, कम्युनिकेशन करण्यासाठी काय होतं तर बऱ्याच वेळा माइंडसेट फिअरफुल असतं. कमिंग फर्दर स्लाइड्स मध्ये आपण काही गोष्टी अजून डिटेलमध्ये शिकणार आहोत. पण एक त्यातली स्टेज काय आहे तर घरात सगळ्यात सोपं आपल्या जवळचं कोण असतं बोलण्यासाठी, ज्याच्याबरोबर ते बोलताना, ज्याच्या बरोबर सोबत आपण बोलत असताना आपला कॉन्फिडन्स हाय असतो, ते आपले फॅमिली मेंबर. आणि जर फॅमिली मेंबर मध्ये कुणालाच एज्युकेटेड नसतील, जर बोलता येत नसेल, तर त्याच्यासाठी ऑप्शन आपल्याकडे काय आहे तर कस्टमर केअर आहे. कारण आपण कोणालाही माहित नाही आणि तेही आपल्याला माहित नाहीत. अशा दृष्टीने ज्यावेळेस बॉन्डिंग असतं त्यावेळेस आपलं कम्युनिकेशन हे स्मूथ होतं. लक्षात घ्या, का बरं स्मूथ होत असतं. आणि ते स्मूथ कम्युनिकेशन आपल्याला ओव्हरकम करण्यासाठी काय अपेक्षित आहे तर काय अपेक्षित असतं तर आपण प्रयत्न करणं गरजेचं आहे. म्हणून त्याला वे काय आहे तर प्रत्येकाच्या घरामध्ये कोण ना कोण एज्युकेटेड आहे, जरी नसेल तरी पण स्वतःच मिरर समोर जाऊन लास्ट टाइमला सांगितलं की तसं कम्युनिकेशन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करणं गरजेचं आहे. हे नॉट ओनली इन कम्युनिकेशन, रिलेटेड टू कम्युनिकेशन, पण कुठलंही गोल असेल लाईफ मधलं तर ते करत असताना तुम्हाला तशाच पद्धतीनं जावं लागेल. लक्षात घ्या. मग कुणाला कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह एक्झामिनेशन द्यायच्यात तर त्यांनी काही टेक्निकल्स असतील, टेक्निकल्स मधले सब्जेक्ट असतील, किंवा ऍप्टिट्यूड आहे, किंवा कम्युनिकेशन मधले इंग्लिश ग्रामर मधलं व्हर्बल ॲबिलिटी आहे, याच्यावरती पण तितकासा प्रयत्न करणं गरजेचं आहे. तर आणि तरच तुमचं काय होईल तर व्होकॅब्युलरी इम्प्रूव्ह होईल आणि तुम्ही त्या व्हर्बल ॲबिलिटीचे काय क्वेश्चन आहे ते एकदम सोप्या तीव्रतेनं किंवा अशा पद्धतीनं सोडवू शकाल. तर दॅट इज द ओनली सिम्पल मॅनर टू प्रिपेअर युअर टू सेट युअर गोल, to plan accordingly of your goal, and to plan or to do the action accordingly. Then and then only your dreams come true and you will get the success. Nowadays what happened, some of the everyone from boys side or everyone from girls side as well, everyone is saying that what is your dream? Everyone's dream is there to get or to collect the money in bulk, and to buy the home, to buy the or to build the home, to buy the vehicle or four-wheeler. Again, what not facilities required there, standards, maintaining for the standardness in the society. Everyone is required money, but for getting money first we need to do this plan, and then only you will enjoy. Understand? Apart from that, what is happening, problem is there, we need to survive. But how you need to survive, sir? Most of the times what happen, everyone is thinking that, sir, we are at home, how can we start? As I told you, start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. That thought is given by Arthur Ashe. So try to understand that what is happening. You may think that, sir, how can we do these things, because we are not at home. Sorry, we can say that we are at home, and how we need to do these things to improve our communication. So these are the others way to communicate with friends, to communicate with customer care and all. So try to understand. If you do not have any book, one website, as I asked no just before in the previous lecture also. I joined before 5 minutes of the end of the session, and I listened that ma'am also suggested you to such kinds of books are there. She will provide you through the telegram, but one website is there. I can share you that website, and simple way that PDFs are free of cost. So everyone can note down that website, pdf.net, pdf.net. So this is simple website is there. So pdf drive .net is the website. So you can go for that website and you will get abundant of books which we required for the helping your study or promoting yourself in front of your success. Understand? So try to start yourself from where you are right now. If you have everything with you, but what is expected here from your side in the next manner, as one thought is given by Carnegie Institute of Technology. Understand? Is there in front of you? So now I wish to check your reading skill as well. So anyone can unmute your mic and just read what is there on the screen. Yes, who is going to read? This is very simple activity. As I told you, yes.
Can I, sir?
Yes, please.
85% of your financial success is due to your personality and ability to communicate, negotiate, and lead. Shocking, only 15% is due to the technical knowledge.
Very good. Yes, next. Anyone can? Anyone can repeat fast because we have only 5 minutes.
Can I, sir?
Yes, please.
85% of your financial success is due to your personality and ability to communicate, negotiate, and lead. Shockingly, only 15% is due to the technical knowledge.
Very good. Anyone is there from boys side? Is there anyone from boys side? If not, okay. So simple one thought is given by the Carnegie Institute of Technology. As why I have mentioned, why I have taken this thought for you guys, because now you are doing technical education. Understand? And the thought is given by Carnegie Institute of Technology, which is well known, renowned technology institute. And what that institute says, 85% of your financial success. Why we are struggling? Why we are taking education? Why you are studying? Why do you feel that in the COVID-19, what things are expected here by sitting only at home? No, there is nothing to do. This life is boring. How you enjoyed COVID-19? Is it enjoyment? No, not at all, because it's troublesome. By sitting at home without any work, it is too much problematic for you guys. Understand? You might have faced such kinds of difficulties. And what things are expected here in our life? To get money, to improve our financial condition. For that way, that Carnegie Institute of Technology is saying 85% of your financial success is due to your personality and ability to communicate. कशामुळे 85% जो आर्थिक सक्सेस आहे आपलं ते त्यापैकी 85% कशामुळे मिळणार आहे? ड्यू टू मीन्स त्यामुळे युअर पर्सनॅलिटी, तुमची जी पर्सनॅलिटी आहे, मग त्याच्यामुळे तुमचे जेस्चर्स, पोस्चर्स, बॉडी लँग्वेज, हेल्थ इश्यूज रिलेटेड टू ड्रेस, अपीयरन्स, बॉडी लँग्वेज, एव्हरीथिंग. ability to communicate, how you are communicating, what kinds of ways you are communicating. You are enough confident to communicate, you have a fearful mindset in your communication, that things also. And one more point is there, negotiate. That is, what is the correct pronunciation of that word? Negotiate. Negotiate means, anyone can tell the meaning of negotiation? Yes. Negotiation, मार्केटमध्ये गेल्यानंतर आपण निगोशिएट करत असतो बघा एखादी गोष्ट. 4 रुपयाला 10 रुपयाला पेंडी सांगितली तर हा वाटाघाटी, व्हेरी गुड. 10 रुपयाला
बार्गेनिंग.
बार्गेनिंग, व्हेरी गुड. मग 10 रुपयाला पेंडी सांगितली तर आपण तिथं 5 रुपयाला मागतो, 4 रुपयाला मागतो, 5च्या 2 द्या म्हणतो. इनफॅक्ट व्हॉट दॅट इज कॉल्ड बार्गेनिंग. अंडरस्टँड? सो दॅट थिंग्स वुड बी देअर. इट वुड बी बेनिफिशियल टू यू गाईज. So after the lecture, I think so we will continue. Anyway, we'll stop here for the today's session after the end of the time. But before that, you can mark your name through the chat box. So communicate, negotiate, and lead. What things are expected here? Suppose one incident is here. If you are coming to the college and in front of you badly one accident happened. So will you take the lead and call to ambulance, call to doctor, to call to police, or by saying that forget what things are happening here, don't go there anyway, what happened there would be complaint against us, we need to move from this place? What will you do? We need to lead that situation. Understand? कुठल्याही प्रकारची सिच्युएशन आली तर आपल्याला ते लीड करता येणं अपेक्षित आहे. म्हणजे लिडिंग स्किल आपल्याकडे असणं अपेक्षित आहे. आणि जर हे सगळं असेल तरच आपल्याला 85% यश मिळू शकतं. एनिवे व्हॉट हॅपन? शॉकिंगली ओनली 15% इज ड्यू टू टेक्निकल नॉलेज. आणि जर समजा तुम्हाला कम्युनिकेशन नाही, तुमच्याकडे अबिलिटी टू तुमची पर्सनॅलिटी चांगली नाही. पर्सनॅलिटी चांगली म्हणजे काय, गॉड गिफ्टेड आहे ते आहेच. नकटा आहे, काळा आहे, किंवा कलर त्याचा पांढरा आहे, गोरा आहे, काळा आहे, हे काय आपल्या हातात नाही. जे काय आहे ते आहे, सगळं समोर आहे. इनफॅक्ट व्हॉट हॅपन? पर्सनॅलिटी मध्ये बऱ्याच गोष्टी असतात की ते मॉडिफिकेशन करत राहतात, पण ते आपण काही करायची गरज नाही. जे काय आहे त्याचं पुरेपूर युटिलायझेशन अपेक्षित असतं. ॲबिलिटी टू कम्युनिकेट, चांगलं कम्युनिकेशन करता येणं अपेक्षित आहे. निगोशिएशन स्किल चांगलं असलं पाहिजे आणि त्याच्याकडे लिडिंग स्किल सुद्धा चांगलं असणं अपेक्षित आहे. तरच काय होईल, तर आपल्याला 85% फायनान्शियल यश मिळेल. इव्हन दॅन लाईफ मध्येच 85% यश मिळतं. उरलेलं जे 15% आहे ते तुमचं टेक्निकल वरती डिपेंड असेल.